Good morning from sunny UAE, guys. Today's vlog is going to be a little bit more personal. I'm going to hit the gym with my brother. I'm then going to show you guys the Sharjah community, a little bit of personal stuff, as well as obviously going to the office and meeting a couple of people. Hopefully you guys benefit, so stick around.
This morning I was chilling out in London, then I ended up in Istanbul. Last night I was in Switzerland. I'm a traveller on these lands, sitting on a boat going Santander, cross the border to Morocco, Tangier, next month shall be Pakistan. I'm a traveller on these lands. This morning I was chilling out in London, then I ended up in Istanbul. Last night I was in Switzerland. I'm a traveller on these lands.
A lot of you guys are interested to know what my brother does. We're going to meet him now. I'm going to go to the gym with my brother and hopefully pick some heavy weights with him. But my brother actually started a recruitment company when he was in Malaysia. He ran it well, and we've actually got a video out on YouTube before. I think it's like 2-3 years old, where he speaks about his recruitment endeavors. After that, basically, he sort of unwinded it. He wasn't focusing on it too much, and now here he's got his own car rental business. Basically, we're going to do weights in the gym. We're doing shoulders because you love doing shoulders, right?
Yeah, that's fine.
And then whoever lifts the most, you can have the tea if you lift the most, baby.
I've not been training for
I'm missing.
months, bro.
I'm missing. Nah, I'm gonna give you the cream Gulf lift tea. To be fair, man, I need to open the blue and black ones because I haven't opened them yet. So hopefully, I need to open them and then give you the mediums of that.
Okay.
Yo, Shaitan's on the corner, waiting for me to pull up, I'm a divert. Can't afford to lose another soldier, I gave my word. O2 Kalimat Shahada, La ilaha illallah, standing in the Gaza. Bad boys in London used to pull up at the function, now we pull up at the night prayer. Tarot we're in unison, life on the edge. I'ma do this to the death, Allah forgive me.
So we are currently in the gym. I'm doing shoulders. I'm trying to get into the best shape of my life for 2025 summer, inshallah. Because a healthy body means healthy mind, and a healthy mind means more productivity.
Passes, my presence and my necks, I don't march, I don't protest. I was raised in a gang. I speak to the oppressed of a language they understand. That's the prayer and the sword. I'm a soldier of my Lord. In the night I'm on the prayer mat, in the day I'm on war. This is showtime. Grew up on the showtime rhythm. See me standing with the scholars, I was raised with the villains. I could make a couple million, still staying with the poor. I'ma die with the poor, please raise me with the poor. Got my face on the floor in Sajda. I survived hell, this is my before and after. Losing's not an option, I was born to win. This is ABC, that's Ashbalal Chin. Fill my glass to the brim. Zamzam holy, just past the sign in Mecca says Muslims only. I'ma do this with my whole heart. Filter press restart. I let them get away with murder in the first half.
So guys, we finished up gym. We ended up having breakfast. I got breakfast with my brother. I ended up having 4 eggs because I'm trying to go high on the protein and everything. I'm ready, I'm dressed, and we're going to go to the office. Now before we do that, I just want to give you guys a little bit of a tour of where I live, the area, the community. Not many people know how nice Sharjah is, so hopefully this gives you an idea of, if you wanted to move to a place like Sharjah, you know, what you can get, how much you'd pay for rent and buying. We're going to go to Dubai, and we're actually going to come back in peak traffic to give you guys an idea of how long it actually takes, because I know it's a scare for many people, but hopefully you guys enjoy this. So as you guys can see, this is where I live. It's called Sharjah community. It's amazing, by the way. It's all gated up. And so if you've got little kids and that sort of thing, you kind of know, even if they go to the park or something like that, they're going to be inside the gated community. So in terms of safety, security, it's amazing. The prices when it comes to renting, it does vary. So it starts off at around 90,000 dirhams a year. Whatever that is, I guess someone can let me know in the comments. And then it probably goes up to like even 230 to 240,000 dirhams a year. And that is probably like a 5-bedroom detached house, and, you know, swimming pool and all that sort of stuff. I pay a decent amount. It's probably not that relevant to what I pay exactly, but if you're looking to pay 90 to 130 to 140,000, you'll get a 2 to 3 bedroom townhouse / villa. It has a decent amount of space for 1 or 2 people. It's great. Now, if you're looking to buy, by the way, you're probably looking at around 1.3, 1.4 million dirhams for the smaller houses. and it could go as high as I would say 3.5 million dirhams for the larger houses. Hopefully that gives you an idea. Lovely community. It's super clean, super safe. A lot of expats live here. Not that many from the UK, but a lot of expats. A decent community. There's probably about 6-7 parks just in this community alone. And we've got Zahia Mall, which I'll show you guys just briefly from the outside as well, what it looks like.
Okay, I'm going to meet my friends at this Mendy place right now. It's in, you know where Karama is?
Karama. I don't. Is that Dubai?
It's Dubai, yeah.
Yeah, well, I'm going to Dubai now anyway. I'm going to Sheikh Zayed
Okay,
Road.
perfect. If you can come there, I'll send you the location. I'll be
Okay.
there for the next hour and a half, 2 hours.
Before we head off to the office, I had to stop by and see a good friend of mine, Abdul Rashid, who bought some of our products, Golf Lift, our gym clothing brand, which we've recently launched. So I'm just going to give him some products and then we're going to head off to the office. Hi, How are you, man? You okay? How's things?
Looking good.
You well, yeah?
Alhamdulillah, sorry.
What's happening?
This is the whole team, yeah?
For you, brother.
Special.
For a special one, the little VIP delivery and that, yeah?
Allahumma barik.
No one else is getting this, you know?
I'm aware
Only-
today. I'm aware today. I
What are you saying? You okay?
Yeah, alhamdulillah. How's everything with you?
Nah, all good, man. All good. All good, yeah.
Long
Flying out,
time.
flying out tonight, innit? So, inshallah,
You're going tonight?
yeah, basically 4 in the morning. I said to Zach, I said, you know, remember, it's one video,
Yeah.
pop you off, and then
The whole thing can go crazy.
it's just one video, bro.
How was the UK stuff?
Yeah, it's decent. It's decent, but it can be better. But I said to Zach, just stay on top of the content, stay on top of like everything.
It'll come.
Yeah.
Bro, wallah, it's a long journey. I can't.
Yeah,
I can't
100%,
eat
bro.
right now, it's just long.
100%, bro. 100%. So I need to now make some calls. I need to speak to Zach. I need to speak to an accountant. Maybe I can ask the accountant how much it is to set up a company here in the UAE at this point. So hopefully that is beneficial to you guys as well. It's a way of me keeping in touch with all my businesses and understanding exactly what's going on. How's it going, brother? What are you saying?
Alhamdulillah, my bro.
Yeah?
Go out. Yeah, just got out LinkedIn post, got out the Arabic one, editing the video for the Golf Lift page to come out tonight.
Okay.
My own personal one. So everywhere today, mate.
And that's everywhere, as in you're doing yours, you've done your post as well today?
My personal one comes out at 8 because that's the time that comes out where it does the best in it.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, I guess that's something we just need to keep on top of. What's it looking like at the moment? Like, as in, have we got more sales coming in? Like,
Just got another one. There's another 2 coming in right now.
okay,
Somebody just messaged me. A friend of mine is buying 2 right now. He told me to leave 2 mediums one in black, one in cream trim.
okay. Yeah, that guy Jihad, he's actually a brother that I know. To be fair, he's a good guy. To be fair.
Yeah, that's what I keep telling. I keep saying that the stock's limited, bro. Like, you need to let me know just before they go.
No, don't say it like that, because that seems like you're pressurizing them. Just say that. By the way, bro, like I've got these shirts reserved for you. Let me know what the update is. Yeah. So like because I've got them on hold just for you.
Okay.
So you're like doing them a favor. Do you get it?
Yeah.
So you don't want to sound like you're pressurizing. You want to make it out like you're doing a favor, basically. So my accountant's not picked up. I'm going to send him a voice now. जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम भाई ने कितने की यार अपडेट ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਦੀ ਸੈਟਅਪ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਹੈ ਦੱਸ ਦਿਓ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਉਹ ਦੂਜੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਅੰਦਾਜ਼ਾ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਦਿਓ ਤੇ ਹੋਰ ਕੁਝ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਦੇਣਾ ਫਿਰ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਸੋ ਤੇ ਫ੍ਰੀ ਹੋਵੋਗੇ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਰਾ ਥੋੜੀ ਦੇਰ ਦਾ ਫੋਨ ਮੇਰਾ ਕਰ ਲਓ ਜੇ ਹੋਰ ਜ਼ਰਾ ਘੰਟੇ 2 ਘੰਟੇ ਦਾ ਫ੍ਰੀ ਹੋਵੋਗੇ so if he's free in the next 1-2 hours I've asked him to give me a call and hopefully I can give you guys an update on how much it costs to set up a company in Dubai currently as well. I've actually set one up anyway, so maybe I can tell you about that if he doesn't respond, but hopefully he gives us a bit more information and he calls in a bit and I'll record it for you guys. So guys, we've ended up wrapping up for the day. I got what I needed to get done. We're taking a trip down to Sharjah now, and this time is peak time. So people fear going from Dubai to Sharjah at this time, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how long it takes. If I'm being honest, I don't know myself. I'm putting myself through this. Now, what I've also decided, by the way, is I want to do more of these vlogs, and next vlogs, I'm going to go through 3 of the new business models that I've started and how I'm going to take them from nothing to something big. And hopefully this will be a good way for you guys to see how to grow businesses. Now, if that's something you guys want me to show you guys, like a step-to-step guide, then comment below. Let me know. I don't know. Comment below the 3 businesses and I'll try to do more videos around those 3 business ideas. So what we're going to do, let's see how far it's saying right now at 5:50, an hour and 12 minutes. Right, let's see how this goes. It usually isn't that accurate, to be fair. Inshallah khair. So guys, we've just had to stop because it's 6:05 and 6:10 is actually Maghrib time. There's a masjid here, which is amazing. Like, we're on the way home, but we're going to have to stop and pray Salah, and then inshallah we'll move on forward. So we'll factor in the fact that we had to stop for Salah, and then I'll give you an overall duration to how long it took to get us there. I've got 100 things going on in my head and I need to get them done, and on top of that I've got traffic as well. So, but you know what? It's okay right now. The only problem is I've still got 56 minutes to go. So yeah, we haven't got too far. Unfortunately, we're not any closer to our house. To be fair, right now, seems like it's still flowing.
Yeah.
What's going on there, bro? It's like a little wedding and that. I'll be home inshallah in 20 minutes. I mean, I'm meant to be in the fast lane, but I keep having to put my foot on the brake. My leg's starting to hurt a little bit. So my right leg is sort of feeling like it's losing sensation. Right? I've been driving in this traffic for the last, I don't even know, man, an hour. I think it's been an hour. I'm about 15 minutes away. I don't know, man. But you know what? I'll say something. On a serious note, okay? Yes, the traffic's not great. It's probably taken about 1 hour, 10 minutes. I don't have to travel in the peak traffic times. But where I live, the community, the masjid being closed, the shopping center being super, super close, the amenities that we have, the security, the safety, as well as the deen, because it's an Islamic environment. Yeah, man, it's something that I'm willing to do. Like, I don't have to drive in this traffic, but I'm giving you guys an idea. I'm putting myself through the pain so you don't have to, and understanding how bad the traffic is. I would say an hour and 10 minutes from Dubai Sheikh Zayed Road to the border of Sharjah and Dubai, a little bit into Sharjah. You know, that's how long it's going to take. But yeah, I'm in pain, to be honest. It's now 7:35. The day's coming to a close. I've actually got a flight in the morning at 4 o'clock. I'm flying back to the UK. It's taken an hour and 10-15 minutes because obviously we had to stop for Maghrib. But hopefully you've enjoyed this vlog. Like I said, we're going to do more vlogs where I help you guys and explain exactly how I started businesses from zero and take them to something. Comment below 3 businesses for that.